Okay, so now we have our cylinder head walnut blasted. We've gotten all the carbon built up off of the valve, the intake, and the exhaust valve ports. So this looks pretty good. Now we're going to grind these valves and go ahead and start putting in the intake valves. So we're just going to use a lopper, which is basically a suction cup with a handle, and some valve grinding compound. So we're just going to put this around the edge of our intake valve. Doesn't take a whole lot. Kind of like starting a fire. Be about enough there, I would think. Let's take a look. So what you end up with are these coarse marks, scoring. Hard to see. And it also scores the cylinder head around the port. So basically I'm going to go through and grind all of the valves now on the intake side.